I don't know why I haven't done it so
Your
far.
blue job right now. Right now? No problem, right?
That's good.
Oh shit, he's got a fucking dog. Let me see. Oh, that's fucking good. Oh, you had some shit with the cops. They're not supposed to be on you or touch you any kind of way.
No, it was 6 Russian mafia beat the shit out of me earlier today. Or no, they just fucked up.
You gotta take that to a lawyer.
Retraining cards.
Perfect time. Oh, everybody's in fine. Hi, Simon.
All right, good morning, New York. Yeah, my name is Alfred. I am a homeless person. I didn't say I was a quitter. I didn't say I'm a guy that's giving up. A lot of times folks look down at brothers like myself, but we all God's people, man. And it's embarrassing because I got to swallow a hell of a lot of pride. Hell, man, we're just trying to do the best we can. I want everybody to know and have a good time while you're here. Because you never know day by day what's going to happen to yourself. We all God's folks. So don't judge, don't look down. Have a good time, baby.
You know what? I don't take nothing for granted. That could be one of us right there.
Yeah, it's testimony.
So I'm grateful that I'm here to just be with you and
I felt that
chill. Word up. I think we're going the wrong way. Hey yo, my man, where can we get some liquor from? Some Hennessy.
I need some alcohol, man.
Can we get some alcohol? So we can't blame it on alcohol. Yeah. Like cheese right there, yeah. Them shit's hot right there.
This shit
Yo,
ain't
they cheap as hell right here.
What time this shit
I
over?
don't know, probably like 10.
All these shit is hot. And I'm paying fucking $80 for fucking
You pay $80 for them shit?
$80.
Oh, them shit's hot for $20.
Dumb as hot.
What? Them shit's right there.
Shit's right here. That's on the front.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my fucking god. I'm fucking.
Yo, you gotta be kidding me, kid.
I'm being moved off.
What? Yo, this spot look. I even like that orange and white hoodie right there. You see that shit right there? I like all of them. I think my lady look better though.
Now I wanna go home right now. I gotta go. Damn, I don't know how I get to the fucking house. Damn.
Your afro. That shit real? shit is crazy.
I would take you down to the seat.
Hey, yo, it's nothing like going back home, man.
Come on.
She got to do all this fucking mad shit. I just hit my knee on the fire hydrant. That shit hurt.
Audience too. That guy look like he killed somebody before.
To introduce yourself to the camera. Since it's your birthday. How old are you again, you said?
I'm turning 21.
Yeah. Don't tell me, tell the camera.
What's your name? What street you reppin'?
My name is Jessica.
Hey, to you.
Thank
Where you
you.
from? Weehawken, Jessica?
I'm from New York, yo, but I live in New Jersey right now.
What part of New York you from?
I'm from Harlem.
What street?
110.
110. What, your boyfriend live over there or something?
Nah, fuck that nigga.
Right now, she say. What street you wanna pursue?
Ex-boyfriend.
X. Alright, what street you from, Passaic?
Your boyfriend is in this.
Alright, I gotta pass McDonald's. I'm 3 stops after McDonald's.
Oh, so you on Sherman Street?
No, Highland.
Island?
Everybody go to
Who live over there? Your stepfather?
Oh, you good, my stepfather. You're right.
Yeah.
I live with my stepfather.
Y'all not creeping behind your mom's back though, right?
Oh, fuck, I had never that. Never. Hey, and I'm going to try to stay up. I will try so hard to stay up. I'm gonna like keep my eyes open.
How many beer you drink?
Oh, beers? Fuck that. I drink shots. Patron, Hennessy, Long Island Iced Tea. I don't fuck with beer. Beer gets you fat. But fuck beer.
I mean, I got MS.
You kind of chunky a little bit.
Nah, fuck out of here.
Yeah, you are.
Nah, I'm like average. Chunky, fuck out of here. That's it.
Shout it out. Shout your phone out. Like, yo, whoever got my phone, the number is. It's a pink sidekick with rhinestones on it.
Nah.
That's what you got on it?
Nah, hell no, I don't like pink.
Oh, it wasn't pink?
No, my shit was black and blue.
Black and blue.
For real.
Hey, yo, who got the reggae thong right now? Who got the freaky thong on right now? Nobody? Nobody?
Yeah.
Bet if this bus was filled with African Americans, somebody would be rapping. Nobody got no reggae thong right now? That's sad, man. I thought y'all was trying to blow the reggae thong up, man. Y'all scared? Where the reggae thong at?
What time is it? What time?
No freaky thong, y'all? None of that. Hey, mommy, give him some reggae. Give him some reggae thong. Nah, none of that.
I'm with the Italians. Where the Italians at? Where the
Bada bing, bada.
fucking prego, grazie. Putana. Yo, I know fucking Arabic, Italian. For real, Shadmole.
You ain't Italian. You look more Arabic than Italian.
Right.
Oh, well, I know Arabic. Fuck that, yo. I'm Italian by ejection. That's about it.
Oh, word.
About this section from right here back. I mean, just
with this section. You
Hey, Tip.
I got nothing.
Hey, Tip, you know what, man? Can I get a freestyle, man? Can I
You know
get
what,
something?
too? If I had another
Something.
beer or something, man, I probably could do it.
Anybody got a beer to get this man?
You got a sleeping pill?
But
Again, somebody said something. Hey, this is your style. You know what? You got your limelight right now. Who just said that? You know, this could be your big break. Come on. I really gotta go, man. I'm gonna pee my pants.
I told you.
I'm gonna go pee in my pants.